Hello everyone, this is Shegun. I am a computing instructor at Priory Preparatory School, and we've just created our first video for the students on how to sign up for Edmodo using their class code. This is the part 2 of the video. Right now, I'm still on Google Chrome right now. This is Google Chrome browser. Okay, now I'm going to type in Edmodo.com. Key right there. I'm gonna wait for it. Now Edmodo is coming up. Right. We'll wait for it. Yeah, it's here. Edmodo is right here. Now the last time, remember we signed up, right? And our teacher must have seen our mail and must have accepted our request. So right now, we signed in the last time as Shy Pro, yeah, I think Shy Pro 456, and then we had our password. Okay, and then we click on login. So when we click on login, we wait for Edmodo. Oh, right here, we are here. Hey, we've signed in. Finally, we can see the class. Okay, so for you right now, your class might be year 4, might be year 3, it might be year 2, it might be year 1, it might be year 6, whichever class it is. So this is it right here, but this is the class I'm going to focus on just for demo only. Now you have notifications. This bar means notification bar. All right, this bar is a notification bar. Now because you've joined this class right here, you have some upcoming works for you. Okay, upcoming works for you right here. That means that you have some works in which you are to complete. I think that's why the notification is right here. So first things first, let's go over to this notification right here. Let's see the notifications that you have, and let's wait for it. Oh, look at it. Your teacher has assigned you English. Another homework is right here. Your request has been approved. So these are your notifications. Just take note of that. Those are your notifications. Right here is your icon where you have your profile, your settings, and then you can log out. Now this is messages. It looks like you have a message. So right here, sometimes you could have a message. You would see it right here. This is a notification saying that you have one message. Now this is from your teacher telling you, I discovered that. Okay, so this is just a message. Okay, all right. So whenever you have a message from your teacher, this is where you're going to find it. In case your teacher sends you a personal message, then you might ask, how can I reply my teacher's message? Now you can come over here and click inside here and then say also, hello Mr. Shegun, I am currently working on my assignment. I'm currently working on my assignment. I apologize for the delay. Alright, so you're done. You can insert an emoji if you want to. Oh, I'm sure you like this, right? Happy, scared, very happy, I'm sure, sad, whatever. Now you can make that you're very happy. And then just in case you want to send a personal assignment to your teacher. For instance, let's say your teacher says he has not been seeing your assignment. You can come over here and then attach it. Sometimes there could be some misunderstanding. So you can just come over here. You find where you've attached your assignment. Let's say you've attached your assignment in desktop, in documents, in downloads. You find where you've attached your assignment, where you've saved your assignment, whichever place you've saved your assignment. So I can just imagine I saved mine on the desktop, and I go over here, I bring my assignment up, and then I click it right there. Then I wait for it. Look at it right here. So it's right here. Alright, so I've attached it. I've attached the PDF. So I'm going to click on send. See it? Can you see that right now? Okay, good. So this is how to reply a message. Just in case your teacher sends you a message, you can reply the teacher's message. Of course, you can also send message to your teacher. Right here, this is message. So you must click on this icon to get this to sign. So let's say you have a friend in your class. Okay, you have no choice of that, so you have to send it to your teacher. So this is your teacher. You have to just send it back to your teacher. Alright, so this is it right now. You have to send it to your teacher. Then you're going to click on remember. Okay, I'm going to do that again so you can see how it is done. This is 2 right there. You have to make sure you know the teacher's name and then put it right there. Alright, good. And then you type in your message back to your teacher. I, Mr. Shegun, I am having a little problem with the quiz. Okay, then you can add your maybe scared, maybe, and then you send. So don't worry, Mr. Shegun is going to receive your message. All right, good. Now that is that about that. So go back to home. This is your home right now. This is your home page right now. This is your upcoming. Now in your upcoming right now, you have 1, 2, 3 upcomings, and let's see, maybe you still have one more. So you clicked on student planner to see all your upcoming tasks. So look at this new planner is fully customized to help you stay organized and get things done. Next, and then next. So you see right here. In case you didn't, wait, we clicked it somewhere here. It's right here also, planner. All right, it's right here also, planner. So you can click from here also. You're gonna see the planner. Oh, this assignment is gonna be due on Wednesday. It's gonna be due on Thursday. This is another one. This is a quiz. This is another upcoming one. That's all for now. Now this, please student, please note that upcoming is not for the post your teacher is posting. Upcoming is majorly for assignments and quiz. Should I repeat that? Upcoming is for assignment and quiz. It's not about the post of your teacher. So you might be going majorly to upcoming, which is, if you're going to upcoming, that means you want to quickly you want to quickly do your assignments, your homework, your classwork, whichever way it is. But you might then miss out on your teacher's posts per day. But for this tutorials, let's just focus on the upcoming. All right, so now on upcoming right now, if you look at it very well, this is an assignment. This is also an assignment, but this is a quiz. That's why it says take quiz. Okay, So let's say, for instance, I want to start with this. I click on take quiz. I wait for it. So this is how to answer quiz, just in case the teacher sent you a quiz and you want to answer the quiz. So right now I'm just going to while away time while it is loading. Sometimes it can take some time to load. Okay, sometimes it can really take some time to load. Now let me just wait, and hopefully I get it right about now. Okay, it's not coming up. That must be the internet. Let me try it again. Oh, thank God, it's up and running. So this is the quiz. The title of the quiz is always the one right here. This is the title of the quiz, English. This is the class you fall to. Of course, this is not the class you might see year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. You find the due date here. You find how many questions you have. You find how many points you're going to have and how many minutes it's going to take for this quiz. These are the instructions. The instruction says read carefully and choose the correct answer. So you're going to click on quiz, take quiz. All right, so this is how a quiz will look like. And because your teacher has made it a 30 minutes quiz, there is a timer for that. All right, there is a timer for that. Do you see that now? Meaning that if the timer elapses, that's if you have it at 0 seconds, then it's going to go, it's going to close. Yes, it's going to close. So it's best for you to answer it now. So I wish I don't know what answer you want to pick. Let's say I wish I had never said those words. Then you go to next. Then they didn't reach an agreement on account due to their differences, on account of the differences. Okay, just now I'm just answering a question basically. Okay, just maybe there's something wrong with the question here. The woman who has been missing for 10 days is believed to have been abducted. Okay, then next one, I'm very happy dash in India. I really miss being there. I'm very happy to live in India. To have lived in India, to be lived in India. Oh, okay. There might be an error there. Just choose. So once you're done, previous, next. There's no next. Do you notice that there is no next? Do you know why there's no next? There's no next because there is no next. There is no next because there is no next. So you have 4 questions. Then you can submit your quiz. All 4 questions answered, submit quiz. If you're not sure, you can return to quiz. If you're sure, you can submit the quiz. Once you've submitted the quiz, you cannot take the quiz any longer. Okay? Once you submitted the quiz, you cannot take the quiz any longer. All right? So that's that. Okay, so it says review quiz. You can review it. That's it. So you find out that when you review the quiz, you find out that I was all true correct. I got 4 over 4. Hey, I got 5 over 5. Hey, so you can tell your friends, hey, I scored 5 over 5. Hey, I scored 10 over 10. Hey. Okay, please don't bother about those questions. They are just for instructional purpose only. Okay, don't bother about the questions right now. So you can actually tell your friends, hey, I got a good score in my quiz. Instantly you get your answer. As I've said, you cannot rewrite the quiz, and once you click on submit, you could not but you can review your quiz to look at your answers. Can you see? So you can find out that, hey, this question was right. I'm sure if we were wrong, it would have been wrong. Maybe I should have got some wrong so that you can see. But anyway, I got 4, but the total is 5 over 5, so I got it well. That's all. So that's it. This is how to answer a quiz that your teacher has given to you. Then, as usual, you can then go back to your home. you're done with the quiz. So the next lesson I'm going to show you how to answer your assignment. All right? Okay. Bye for now.